everyone. So I have posted few videos already on this channel. I am so grateful to everyone who watched, liked, and commented. So thank you so much. But I realized that I haven't properly introduced myself on this channel. So today, let's fix that. My name is PejuRoyal. I am someone who enjoys sharing my ideas in helping beginners starting YouTube confidently. Even though I am still learning, but I am so excited to grow and helping others along the way. I love testing new YouTube growth and strategies and breaking them down in simple ways for beginners like me. What is my channel all about? If you are new here, I talk about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to come up with content ideas, also how to stay motivated. So if you ever felt stuck or confused about how to grow or what to post, I think this channel is for you. So going forward, you can expect more helpful content on how to grow on YouTube as a small creator. I am planning my next video on how to pick a niche without getting confused. If there is any specific topic you want me to talk about, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for taking time to get to know me. Whether you've watched all my videos or this is your first one, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, now is a great time. I post weekly and I would love you to join this journey. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.